Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Canva color wheel. You can access the Canva color wheel by going to canva.com/colors/color wheel. Once you find this website, you will see that within this circle you will find two smaller ones. You can tap on these and drag them across to land on whichever two colors you like. This is right now set to the complementary color combination. Depending on where you drag this within this wheel, it will give you two complementary colors. Around the edge of the wheel, you will find this little ball in this circle. You can also take this and change the intensity of the color. As you can see, if you put it all the way to the top, it will make it black, and if you drag it to the bottom, it will make it white. There are more than one color combination. You can choose monochromatic or analogous. This will give you three colors that are roughly close to each other on the color wheel. You can choose triadic. This will give you three colors that are on three different sides of the color wheel. And you can choose tetradic, which will give you four. What's great about this color wheel is you can tap on this button that says create a graphic, and this will take you to the Canva website and will immediately look for templates that are using these color combinations. You can also create a palette of colors and then tap on export palette, and now you have the hex codes as reference that you can just copy and paste wherever you need to, and soon you will be able to use the CSS version of these as well for your coding projects. Alright, this is how to use the Canva color wheel. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.